Good day, class. Welcome to Playing Tricks in Mathematics. Today, we want to look at another important topic in mathematics. We want to look at common factors of numbers. Let's start. Common factors are factors that are common to two or more numbers. That's a simple definition of common factors. Common factors are factors that are common to two or more numbers. So, if you need more insight on factors, you can watch our last video on factors of numbers in mathematics. And we all know that a factor is a number that can divide another number without any remainder. How can we find common factors of number? Finding common factors of numbers. To find common factors of numbers in mathematics, the first step is to look for factors of the numbers. After looking for the factors of the numbers, we now look at the factors that are common to those numbers. So those are just the simple steps to take to find factors of numbers. Let's look at some examples to understand how we can easily find common factors of numbers in mathematics. Examples. Let's say you have a question that says, find the common factors of the following numbers: A, 40 and 18, B, 24, 30 and 36. Now let's start with the first one, A. We want to look at the common factors between 40 and 18. Alright, let's start by looking at what are the factors of 40. 40 equals 1 times 40. 40 is 2 times 20. 40 is 3 cannot divide 40. You skip that. 4. 4 times 10. 40 is 5 times 8. 6 cannot divide 40. 7 cannot divide it. 8 can divide it, we already have it. 9 cannot divide it. 10 can divide it, we already have it. Then we write it from here to here. So let's look at factors of 18. 18 is 1 times 18. Alright? 18 is 2 times 9. 18 is 3 times 6. 4 cannot divide 18. 5 cannot divide it. 6 can divide it, we already have it. 7 cannot divide it. 8 cannot divide it. 9 can divide it, we already have it. 10 cannot. So we write out the factors. Alright, so 40 factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and 40 itself. 18 factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18 itself. Alright, now we want to look at factors that are common. 1 is here, 1 is here, we pick it. 2 is here, 2 is here, we pick it. 4 is here, 4 is not here, it's not possible, we can't pick it. 5 is here, 5 is not here, we can't pick it. 3 is here, 3 is not here, we can't pick it. 8 is here, 8 is not here, we can't pick it. 9 is here, 9 is not here, we can't pick it. 10 is here, 10 is not here, we can't pick it. Right? 20 is here, 20 is not here, we can't pick it. 40 is here, 40 is not here, we can't pick it. 18 is here, 18. So the only common factors we have are 1 and 2. Common factors of 40 and 18 are 1 and 2. So this is how to find common factors of numbers in mathematics. To solve B, we also need to look for factors of 24, factors of 30, and factors of 36. Combine all of them together and see those factors that are common to all of them. Now let's look at 24. What are the factors of 24? 24 is 1 times 24. 24 is 2 times 12. 24 is 3 times 8. 24 is 4 times 6. 5 cannot divide 24. We skip it. 6 can divide it. We already have it. 7 cannot divide it. 8 can divide it. We already have it. 9 cannot divide it. 10 cannot divide it. So we write this out. So let's look at factors of 30. 30 is 1 times 30. 30 is 2 times 15. 30 is 3 times 10. Right? 4 cannot divide 30. We skip it. 5 can divide it. 30 is 5 times 6. 6 can divide it. We already have it. 7 cannot divide it. 8 cannot divide it. 9 cannot divide it. 10 can divide it. We already have it. Then we write them out like this. Alright? Let's look at 36. What are the factors of 36? 36 is 1 times 36. 36 is 2 times 18. 36 is 3 times 12. 36 is 4 times 9. 5 cannot divide it, we skip it. 6 can divide it. 36 is 6 times 6. 7 cannot divide it. 8 cannot divide it. 9 can divide it, we already have it. 10 cannot divide it. 11 cannot, 12 can divide it, right? So we write this out. So let us write the factors out one by one. 24. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24 itself. Factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30 itself. Factor of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. We pick one out of it. 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36 itself. Now look at the common ones. This is 1 is common here to all of them, so we pick it. 2 is common to all of them, we pick it. 3 is common to all of them, we pick it. 4 is here, 4 is not here, 4 is there. We can't pick it. 6 is common to all of them, we pick it. 8 is here, not here, not here. 9 is here, not here, not here. 10 is here, not here, not here. 12 is here, not here, but it's here. Can't still pick it. 24, 30. So the common one. So common factors of 24, 30, and 36 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. So these are the steps to be followed in order to find common factors of numbers in mathematics. If you are able to follow it stepwisely, as I have explained, you will not have any issue in finding common factors of numbers in mathematics. Thank you for watching and listening. Please help to like this video and other videos on our channel. Help us to share this video and other videos as well on our channel. Make your comments. We'd like to have sincere feedback from you, and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.